in the darkness at 4:30 in the morning. Brakes have completely overheated and they look like... Hello! We're off to Nusa Penida.
Oh, I'm jealous.
Hi, my name is Tim. I'm a photographer and world traveler. For the past 2 years, I've traveled over 300,000 miles to dozens of countries, sharing everything here on my vlog. I live in New York City, the greatest city in the world. But back at the beginning of the Big C, I found myself pleasantly marooned here in Bali, Indonesia. I honestly cannot believe it's been nearly 15 months that I've been here, and today, my friends and I are going on another big adventure. We're off to Nusa Penida today for 24 hours. So my friend Susan, who's been on a lot of the videos, you might know her as Gypsy Sneakers, she has raised quite a bit of money. I totally missed this. I had no idea that this was happening. I think it's before we met. And she's actually been able to bring enough food and supplies to feed over 90 families in Nusa Penida. Right now, during the pandemic here in Bali, things are bad as an understatement. But Nusa Penida is even more forgotten because this island is 100% reliant on tourism. And if things are bad here, they're really bad over there. So we decided, all right, what are we doing today? It's very, very close, just across the water here. So we're gonna hop on the boat today. Alright, so we arrived here, I think at a different port to the last time I was here. We're gonna grab some scooters now because that's what you need to get around here. We're at Tentacle Bali today. They were all set up, so we just got some rooms here. It looks pretty nice. It will really work. This is just a one-night trip. I think this will be all right. I'm so actually sleepy right now. I feel like I'm going to just drop asleep. But we came to the chill, swim a bit. Maybe I'll wake up. Just gotta wake up. Gotta wake up. Okay, so we made it down the world's most ridiculously bumpy road. We're just chilling here, poolside. Except for Susan. Susan's in the pool. Okay, so it's about 6 o'clock in the morning and we're already here. We started our journey in the darkness at 4:30 in the morning to come to this treehouse. What an exciting sunrise mission today. And Susan's like, we need to leave at 4:30 and we've been standing here in the darkness. Anyway, it is a beautiful sunrise. It's not every day you get to experience something so special with nice people pretty much to ourselves. I've been here one other time and they normally collect a small donation from you. Maybe they'll get that from us on the way out because there's literally nobody here. Looks like Our ticket man has showed up. Hello, bro.
Hello, bro.
Hey, so it's 25K?
Yeah, 25 for 1%.
It is really hot. We're still high up here, heading down towards Diamond Beach. But what a tasty, tasty, beautiful morning of content that we have for you. Meanwhile, I've been here in this nice, relatively cool, shaded area. If you are going to come here to Diamond Beach or to Nusa Penida, a few things. 1, wear sneakers. 2, sunblock. 3, more water. 4, start earlier. These guys went down at 9:30 and they're coming back up at about 11:30 and they look like... Susan's going to say the same thing again on her vlog. You should go check it out on YouTube. Subscribe. Have no idea what we've signed up for. This road is ridiculous. We keep seeing more and more people having to walk because it is expert level. Poor Susan has no brakes at all. The brakes have completely overheated. If you do come here, I'd recommend finding the nicest possible bike you can find and then find a better one than that. Going deeper and deeper into the jungle now. You can hear these crazy sounds as we get closer to, I think it's a cave. I don't know. This plan was made without me. I'm just along for the ride. I'm just a passenger today. Okay, so right now, Susan is in that unknown looking body of water. Things are biting her and we're taking some photos. I just think it's hilarious because there's no way in hell I'm going in there. But I'll take some pictures of her. That's fine. Started raining out of nowhere. That never happened. We're, however, having some noodles now right on the beach.
Hello! Welcome to Tubeling.
We've just been told that we need to go because we have over an hour of bike riding left just to get to our hotel at Tentacle and then get to the boat on time. It's Thursday, it's around 2 o'clock and the boat leaves at 4:30 and we're over an hour away.
Subscribe Tentacle Photo.
And just like that, our time here in Nusa Penida is pretty much done. We're on hour 15 of this epic sunrise mission day, about to hop back onto the ferry to Sanur. Gotta wear your mask.
You are illuminating, I don't really care about the people in the bar line. I don't really mind all the who goes doing stage dives. I don't care at all, baby, you got my attention. So you would say yeah.
Okay, here we go.
See the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in, oh baby.
locked and loaded for this journey. Alright, and just like that, we are back home. Just like that. Susan, you had a good time?
Yeah.
Alright. I had an excellent time. Nusa Penida is always a good idea, or anything Nusa. I'm sure we'll be back soon. If you like this video though, please go ahead and subscribe and be sure to hit the like button. Oh my god, I'm so sleepy. I'll see you next week.
Even if I told you I could never let you go, I'm not so sure you believe me. But if I mean to show you, I will never let you go. No, 'cause you don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living.